I will skip this one, go to my conclusion. Okay, so hopefully you get some idea. We use the deep inelastic scattering and the drill-in process. We will be able to find out the quark and especially the C quark content inside the nucleon. And as I just showed you this new result from the Fermilab sequence experiment. Actually, they showed some new, even slightly unexpected structure of now the D bar and the U bar. So overall, actually, instead of looking into the one-dimensional dependence, so right now I'm only showing you the PDF in terms of this biokinetics. But actually, in the hadron physics community, we are actually moving from the PDF go to a more multi-dimensional dependence. So instead of other than X, we also want to look into like the transverse momentum or the transverse size structure. For example, you can imagine you getting a proton here, you making some momentum slice and looking how this special transverse spatial distribution of the proton. So that would, in that sense, hopefully they can, all this more multi-dimensional picture about the proton can bring us, for example, to understand more about like this proton spin issue. Okay, so I will end my talk here. Thank you.
Thank you. Question or comment?
Better from student.
Still have a comment. Because the liquid target experiment is tricky. You have to do these target empty runs and subtract out, right? For both of them.
Yeah, actually, empty target cell is contained as one of the targets. We also prepared an empty target cell. So all this target was.
How do you know it's identical?
Well, it's least by the content.
What has been done before is the same tank. Okay, then we actually have to evaluate, take everything out.
Right, you're right. So currently, yeah. So currently, we didn't do this empty target run, except we prepare, we thought an identical target cell.
Yeah. It's tricky, very tricky.
Okay.
This is broken, the SU3 broken. Symmetry broken.
Yes.
It is. You broken the SU3. No.
No. This would be, in some sense, if there, you can imagine that there will be the broken of SU2.
I see. Iso spin and.
Yeah. So that's made. Yeah. So that was some understanding is maybe can we account for this U bar D bar symmetry difference coming from because their mass still subtle difference, and also the proton and the neutron, whether there is some kind of a charge symmetry breaking effect. But isospin breaking effect. But quantitatively calculation all prove they are not as large as this one. So that is why right now people believe that you have to apply for some kind of non-perturbative model, like this pion cloud model. Only these things can quantitatively describe the observed symmetry. All the other things are too minor.
LQCD, lattice QCD.
Lattice QCD.
Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah. I know. Quantitatively, of course, you have to maybe rely on lattice QCD for the final determination.
Non-perturbative.
Yeah.
You show the Atlas result, which is sort of inconsistent, right?
Inconsistent with, you mean the strangeness is too big?
Yeah. Well,
yes.
I just wondered, okay, because Atlas just like CMS has no particle ID, and for at least for chaos or lambdas, whatever. So how do you actually measure SS bar? It's not clear to me.
I guess all
Maybe they made some assumption, but it may not be correct.
could be, but I guess they actually perform this kind of a global analysis
I
by
know, but
like
you
that.
can- how do you separate out chaos, the strangeness?
No,
If
of
you
course,
have no particle ID.
yes.
No.
But I guess relatively maybe they already find out. I think U bar and D bar are already well constrained. So they have to increase the S and S bar. Yeah. Of course, there is a strong debate here. People, because ethers perform their own global analysis.
So in that sense, it's not independent analysis.
Yeah. Well, that is true because later NMPDF tried to perform similar things. They claim they cannot obtain similar result, but yeah, I don't want to get this into more details. Yeah.
Any other question?
Our student? Nope. Completely confused.
Well, if not, then continue again.
Okay, thank you for your attention.